Peggy 7.
Stranded together on a hostile alien planet. The most famous names in the galaxy are going to have to survive each other.
Let me go, you half-wit!
I'm trying! Maybe if I just... For the sake of our own survival, and for drama, we must set aside our petty squabbles and act as a singular unit.
Oh, yes! Now this is what I'm talking about!
You have attempted to prematurely terminate the life force of the wrong robot.
Does deceitful mean impressive? Heroic? Awe-inspiring?
You twit! When I get down from here, I'll rip you in half!
Ratchet, watch out!
Incoming!
Ow! You know, I'm actually starting to like it here.
Can I kill him now?
No. Oh, yeah.
Take cover!
We got incoming!
Watch out, Clank! I'm starting to think there may not even be an Intergalactic Tool of Justice award.
Ladies and gentlemen, your president.
Do you trust me?
An Intergalactic Tool of Justice award.
If you fellas are done, I'm gonna need that wrench back.